All right, let's talk about a molecule that gets a really bad rap. Uric acid.
I bet you've only heard the bad stuff, right? But is that the whole story?
So what is this stuff? Basically, it's a natural byproduct from the breakdown of things called purines.
And where do we get purines? Well, from our own bodies and from certain foods we eat.
But here's where it gets wild. Most mammals break it down, but humans don't. Why?
Turns out uric acid can actually be a hero. It's a major antioxidant that protects our cells. A major one. We're talking over half the antioxidant firepower in our blood is from uric acid. This antioxidant shield might even protect our brains, maybe lowering the risk of diseases like Parkinson's.
But what happens when we have too much of a good thing? That's when the hero can turn villain.
It's all about balance. When your levels get too high, that's a condition called hyperuricemia.
And the number one thing it's known for? Gout, a super painful type of arthritis.
Extra uric acid forms these sharp little crystals in your joints, and your body's immune system freaks out.
But the trouble doesn't just stop there. Oh no, its impact is body-wide.
Chronically high levels, they're linked to huge problems like heart disease, diabetes, and kidney issues.
And get this, there's a surprising link to the most common arthritis of all, osteoarthritis.
Yeah, it seems they share inflammatory pathways, which can create a pretty nasty, vicious cycle.
Even in the brain, it's a total double agent, helpful at normal levels, but harmful when it's always high.
So what's pushing our levels so high these days?
Well, a big culprit is fructose.
See, when we process fructose, especially from sugary drinks, it just floods our system with purines.
And all this leads to a huge plot twist in how we think about diet for this.
Instead of just cutting out purines, experts now point to overall healthy diets like DASH or Mediterranean.
So when you boil it all down, uric acid is a total double-edged sword. It's a guardian and a threat.
The real question isn't how to get rid of it, but how do we find that perfect balance?